everyone, welcome back to my channel Ishtylemake. This is Neha and today's video is on how to do nude makeup or an everyday makeup look which I have already created. Basically this look is you have to apply makeup but still look like you haven't applied any makeup on your face. It's just naturally what you look. Before starting this video, I want to say you that I have used very basic makeup things which we all use on a regular basis, which we all have actually, which are moisturizer, lip balm, foundation, primer, concealer, eyebrow pencil or I use CARA, eyeshadow palette, kajal and a lipstick. I didn't use any highlighter, blush, contour. I did everything using my eyeshadow palette. So I have used everything which you already have at your place. So give it a try if you really like my video. And let's see how I created this look. And yes, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified. why I created this look. Before ending this video, it's a disclaimer or a PS that I'm not a professional makeup artist. This is something I do whenever I go outside or for any video, and whenever I want to look very simple, because this makeup is a every time everyday look. You will look good with this makeup any time of the day or any occasion. It is so simple and it is so pretty whenever we do this. If you really like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below do tell me what do you want to see in the next video. Until next video, toodles.